right now, ang gagawin natin, kasi, before this off ako, kasi it's my birthday on November 5th. So, I tell my host, if I can't, 3 to 4 days off, so they allow me, and yes, it's nice, right? Sure. So right now we will pack my things. Yeah, we will pack my things because we will go to Stockholm, finally, the city of Sweden. So let's go. So ayan guys, siguro ito yung pang first day ko. Ito yung pang amusement park na ko dahil mag-rides tayo. And this one, this outfit, because I'm thinking about we're gonna go in Palace. So let's see. So yan lang, 3 days lang naman eh. So yeah, that's it. That's only my don't forget your bonnet, your gloves, and of course the scarf, because it's too like it's too cold at night. Swear to God, it's so cold, the wind. But if there's no wind, you can just, you know, you can carry ano lang, kaya mo lang. Pero pag there is a wind, oh, it's so cold. And this is my first time to be in winter place, because I used to empt my body for 50 degrees Celsius and a desert in Qatar. So I don't know if I can survive. I hope I can survive during winter time. Yeah. So yeah, don't forget this tree. This is very important. My second day, amusement park. Hopefully I'm gonna enjoy. I don't like ghost house, like a horror house, but I know it's fun. I'm gonna consume really my time. I'm gonna consume it. I mean my time, right? And that's the partner. It's a black shirt, skirt pala, shirt. And I was thinking of this. It's my first gala since my ticket will be Wednesday. I got my ticket Wednesday night, so, and I will be due by train only. Let's do Cheryl doing for train. I don't know how to fix this anyway. I don't know how to fix you. I cannot fix you. That and this khaki pants. It's a high waist. This high waist, so I miss traveling, I swear. I hope, let's all hope that our, what's this? Let's hope that our entire world, that we will wish that before ends of this year, the COVID is already done. It's already gone. It's so, you know. And yes, like this. Right? Ito na siya. It's for 3 days clothes. Travel. Ayan siya. Diba? Of course, my passport. Will not forget that one. It's important. So yeah, it's not final. Look, my jacket there. My winter jacket. It's not final yet. Maybe I'm gonna change my mind what all I'm going to wear. So let's see in the next few days. And I'm gonna take a video if it's already final. So
صاحي نايم وانتي على بالي ما في اي احد تاني غيرك انتي في خيالي صاحي نايم وانتي على بالي ما في اي احد تاني غير ما في احد داري باللي بينا keep it on the low like we got the key we can FaceTime I can show you things استني اليوم اللي تقول انا انتي ناديني سيمبا وانتي نانا ما تبي تكفي للمكالمات تبغي غيري انا خيالي 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 صاحي نايم وانتي على بالي ما في اي احد تاني
down again.